516, ladies.
What you got, bro?
Guess what I got this side?
What you got this side?
Guess what I got this side?
What you got?
Oh, oh, sing it with me. I got, oh, yes sir. Everybody sing that shit. Indifferent. Say what? Say what? Oh, 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 oh. Where they at? Indifferent. Say what? Wait a second, wait. I want to talk to the ladies for a second. Where are all my ladies that's feeling real sexy tonight? Make some noise where you at?
Hey, ladies. What's happening?
Can I talk to the ladies for a second?
Talk to the ladies, man.
Let me put a little bit of excitement up in your lifestyle.
Say what?
You gotta know that times are the essence. I'm talking right now. I can get rid of that headache. What you doing tonight? Some say that sex is overrated, but all my ladies, if you feeling sexy tonight, if you feeling freaky tonight, I'm talking about everybody on this side. And I'm talking about all the ladies on this side. You better sing it with me. We gonna get this shit started. Oh,
say what?
Oh,
Say what?
oh, say it. Okay. Oh,
Okay. Okay.
oh, what? I see you, baby. Oh,
Say what?
oh,
Say what?
oh, say it. Okay. Oh,
Okay. Okay.
oh, what? Wait a second. Wait, ladies. How many ladies came here tonight with your lover? Make some noise.
Okay. It's a couple in here.
How many ladies came here tonight with your friend? Make some noise. How many ladies came here tonight with your lover and your friend? Hey! Everybody put your cell phone lighters in the air right now. We're gonna light up MSG tonight. Light it up. 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 Oh, it feels so good in here. Don't you feel